Hello, everybody. Julian here. It's the 2nd of February, and today I'll do my recap for today, the 2nd of February, and also yesterday since I missed that one. So, first, today, as you can see on the 30-minute, we were in this funky range over here between 143.73 and 143.55. And we were, either way it broke. If I saw confirmations, I would have gotten the trade. But the confirmations we saw today were for sells, of course. I originally came up with my bias on the 30-minute and then executed on the 15, executed and managed on the 15, but this little bearish candle here, obviously the large bearish candle before it broke and closed out of the below the support zone, and the next 30-minute candle was like a retest to it, very weak bearish momentum. So I originally anticipated a sell when it broke the low of this retest candle with the stop above it, and my take profit would be where this zone was right here, kind of where the clean traffic started to get choppy, and that's exactly what it was. So it was a fairly straightforward, quick trade. I actually closed it a little bit early because I was in class and saw it run down on me and didn't leave any runners because I didn't really have time to manage the trade as I was in class. So I actually closed it around 42, so over 10 pips in profit, which was good for me. And yeah, unfortunately, since I was in class, I wasn't able to leave a runner because we would have caught some more pips for sure based on where it is right now. But it is what it is. It was a simple trade, textbook. This is one of my favorite setups when you can get a break, a break and close, and then the retest with a small body candle. That is probably my favorite setup. And also, let's see. We'll go to yesterday's trade since I wasn't able to break it. I didn't have enough time yesterday, but let's see here. If I remember correctly, we were waiting for a break and close below this level right here, which was below 7.4. And yeah, I believe that is for sure when it happened. So I was waiting for a break below this level here at 7.4, and then for it to continue down kind of to this take profit and also further. Now, yesterday's trade was a little bit different than anticipated because as price retraced after this closed, I actually closed half once it came back up in the zone. So I'm going to switch to the 5-minute. And we will see. So what happened was we broke and closed below here on the 5-minute. Zoom that in for you guys to make you see a little bit better. But this was the original candle where we broke and closed below. Then we had this candle run deep bearish and close all the way back up at the top, almost bullish. And once the next candle broke its high, I was actually very skeptical about the trade since we had a weak bearish close and it broke the high coming back into the zone. So I actually closed 50%, somewhere up around, I think it was 143.76, almost at the high, which was unfortunate. But I kept the other 50% running. And then once this 5-minute candle came and still closed below the zone, I had held it. And then, so with the other 50%, I closed prematurely, but basically what my original, let me find this for you again. What my original Set out value was, I think I was able to catch it right about there with my stop loss above the candle and my take profit at this low, which was same thing where the clean traffic began to get choppy. And I ended up closing prematurely just to make up my losses for the day. So it was the first day of the week, the first day of the month, and I had lost about, I think, 170 when I closed half in drawdown. And then when I saw myself up 400, I just closed the trade because I wanted to cover my losses and still make a profit on the day, which, I mean, you can't complain when you make profit, right? If you're winning, you can't complain. So those were my 2 trades in February so far, and we'll see what the market gives us tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe.